Hello, everyone. This is Ebony Vaughn, and as always, I come to you with a word of encouragement. I come to you with a word of equipping and also empowering. I hope that you guys have had a great day and you are on to an amazing weekend. But I wanted to just take a few minutes to talk about something that I find is so important, and that is leading while bleeding. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Sometimes I truly believe that, leadership, being a leader, whether in the community, whether in your church, being a leader in your family, right? We're leaders, whether we're moms, whether we're dads, uncles, cousins, whatever that is, we find ourselves in a role of influence, whether it is in our communities, maybe we are in the political arena, maybe we are in the education system, whatever that is. And sometimes leadership requires us to keep moving even when we're hurting. Right? We're talking about leading while bleeding tonight. One of the things that I find is so important is that we have to know ourselves and trust God enough to know what we need during these times. Wisdom often teaches us that every season demands continuing. If you know anything about me, you know it's all about perseverance. It's all about getting a job done. It's all about completing your assignment. But guess what? Some seasons require rest, okay? True strength is not found in our pushing through everything, but sometimes it's found in us discerning the difference. Y'all hear what I'm saying? We have to learn to discern when it's time to keep moving and when it's time to stop. There are times in our lives, in those bleeding seasons, where we can press on and we have the capacity to press on. And then there are other times when we need to pause. Okay. There are times when we can serve, and there are times when it is necessary for us to sit down somewhere and heal. Okay. If you have been leading while bleeding, it is so important for us to really think about, what do I need to do for me that gives me the ability to be sustained during this season? And what do I need? What do I need as a leader? Do I need more help? Do I need to delegate? Do I need counseling? Do I need spiritual leadership and guidance? Whatever it is that you need, my challenge and my urge to you today is to get that. This is one of the reasons why I believe the Lord allowed me to create Haven. Haven has everything to do with creating a sacred space so that leaders and high achievers have a place to heal. Okay. This is not a place for you to hide, but it's a place to heal. It's not a church, but it is a sacred environment where you will be provided the support and the strength and the nurturing as you navigate through your difficult season. One of the things that is a tremendous focus in Haven, it has everything to do with encouraging leaders to pause without guilt. It has everything to do with encouraging leaders to reflect without pressure, the pressure of responsibilities, the pressure of showing up. It has everything to do with helping leaders to heal and not hide, because too often we hide in our roles and our responsibilities when really we need to heal. So, because, one of the things that is important for us to understand is that it's okay. It's okay to not be okay. But even more than that, we have to be honest with ourselves and model what true leadership looks like. I truly believe that even the strongest leaders need a place to rest and a place to be renewed. So listen, if you know of anyone, or even if this is you that may be interested in Haven, DM me, talk to me. Let's talk about how Haven can be a support to you. Haven stands for Healing and Vitality for Extraordinary Navigators. God bless you, everyone, and have an amazing weekend.